All right, everyone, get ready. Because today I found a tool that lets you generate an unlimited number of images and videos completely for free. Yes, you heard that right. Unlimited and free. And you can also edit images just like you would with Nano Banana or Seedream 4, and the results are excellent. If you're a content creator, this tool is going to be a massive help. Why? Because beyond images and videos, you can also use it to create scripts, simplify scripts, or handle all the daily tasks you'd normally do on ChatGPT. But this is free and without any limitations. You can generate stunning images like these. As you can see, the quality is absolutely top-notch. You can also edit images and even create different angled views from a single photo. Best of all, its censorship is not as strict. On top of that, you can create amazing videos like this. So honestly, this might just be the ultimate all-in-one tool for content creation. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. So let's not waste any more time and get started. Okay, the name of this tool is Quen. And guess where it's from? If you guessed China, you are absolutely correct. Honestly, everyone, China is dropping one open source bombshell after another, giving everyone else a serious run for their money. Now, you can also download Quen to run it offline on your PC, but that requires a very high-spec computer, which not everyone has. So we'll be using the online method. To get started, just search for Quen on Google, visit its official website, and sign up with your email ID. After that, you'll see an interface like this. As you can see, it's kind of like ChatGPT. Well, it is a chatbot after all. But the coolest part is that with it, you can not only chat, but also create images, generate videos, edit them, and so much more. Now, once you click here, you can select the model. I'll just keep it as it is, as this is the most advanced model currently available. All right, let's first generate some images and see how they turn out. To do that, click on the image generation option. Next, give it a prompt. For example, I need to generate a cute golden puppy chasing a butterfly in a sunny meadow. Pixar animated style, rich in detail. Now let's change the aspect ratio to 16.9, which is good for thumbnails, and click generate. And here's the output. Look at this image, everyone. It looks so vibrant and cute, and the quality is pretty high. This is exactly the kind of vibrant picture I was looking for, and Quen nailed it. Now, I know it's not as detailed or hyper-realistic as some other paid image generators, but hey, it's completely free, so I really can't complain. Honestly, this looks like a scene straight out of a Pixar animated movie. Imagine the kind of animated kids' stories you could create with this, especially if you turn the images into video. All right, let's try one more. This time, I'll paste in this prompt and click generate. Here's the output. This image looks really good. And as you can see, Quen doesn't seem to have the same strict restrictions as other generators. For example, if you paste a similar prompt into tools like Nano Banana or Midjourney, you might get an instant content warning. But here, the image was generated without issue, and it looks very realistic. I wouldn't say it's completely uncensored like Seedream 4 or Flux, but it's definitely not as heavily censored, which is a great balance. Okay, before moving to video generation, let's try one more image. This time, I'll give it this prompt. An ancient castle floating in the clouds, with waterfalls cascading from its edges, fantasy art style, rich in detail, and click generate. Here is the output. Wow, this one looks great too. It perfectly captured that fantasy art vibe I was going for. Honestly, I'm very satisfied with these results. Now let's generate some videos with Quen and see how good it really is. To generate videos, click on More and select Video Generation. Now give it a prompt. I'll paste this one here. A majestic eagle soaring over a snowy mountain peak, slow following camera, cinematic. And click Generate. The best part is, it starts generating the video right away with no cue, which is really nice. And here's the output. This video actually looks pretty decent. It's not outstanding, but it's definitely not bad. The motion looks smooth with no weird warping or morphing, and the background and subject are blended well. Honestly, I think the overall video quality could be a bit better, but other than that, it's a very solid result. Here's a quick tip. Quen tends to produce much sharper and better results if you generate videos in smaller aspect ratios. Let's try one more video. This time, I'll give it this prompt. An astronaut floating in a colorful nebula, zero gravity, sci-fi style, and change the aspect ratio to 9:16, perfect for mobile screens, and click generate. Here's the output. Now that's what I'm talking about. This video looks absolutely gorgeous. Honestly, it's right on par with some of the biggest paid AI video generators out there. The motion looks super smooth, and that slow camera rotation just takes it to the next level. With this, you can easily create short sci-fi clips for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram. Alright, before moving on to the image editing, let's try one last one. For this one, I'll paste this prompt. An adorable giant panda chewing on bamboo in a bamboo forest, close-up shot, nature documentary style. And click generate. And here it is. Look at this, everyone. This video looks absolutely stunning. Honestly, it feels like a scene straight out of a nature documentary. The panda looks really cute, and the whole bamboo forest vibe is just perfect. And the fact that this is all free and unlimited just blows my mind. Now, you might have noticed that it only supports text to video for now. There's no image to video option yet. Hopefully, they'll add that feature soon. Now, let me show you the most interesting part of this tool, the image editing. And let me tell you, this is truly on the same level as Nano Banana, and in some cases, even better. To edit an image, click on the image editing option. Next, upload your image here. I've uploaded this portrait of a woman. Now let's make some edits. In the prompt, I'll write this command. Change the woman's top to blue, and click generate. Here's the output. As you can see, the top has been changed to blue, while everything else has remained the same. It did a fantastic job. But honestly, just about any AI image editor can do this, right? So let's give it a real challenge. I'll upload my same portrait image here. This time I'll ask it to create a side view of this image. In the prompt, I'll write the command and click generate. And here are the results. Wow, look at this, everyone. It created a perfect side profile while keeping everything else consistent. The clothes, except for the color, the body type, the pose, the hair, everything is a perfect match. This is just next level stuff. Honestly, I did not expect the results to be this good. Now, if you try this with Nano Banana, they won't even let you do it, as it violates their content policy. But here, you can do pretty much whatever you want. It's not as strictly censored, which makes it much more flexible. I'm telling you, this is a very powerful image editor. And with a little creativity, you can do wonders with it. To show you the final effect, here's a quick short video I created using the clips just generated by Quen. Take a look. In the vast depths of the cosmos, nebulas swirl like a divine painter's palette, magnificent and colorful. An astronaut floating alone in this silent canvas explores the unknown frontiers. Every breath is a whisper of stardust. Every gaze is filled with curiosity for the infinite mysteries. The universe is far greater than imagined, and humanity's quest for exploration will never cease. Great, right? The best part is, you can do it too. Alright everyone, that's it for today. A completely free and unlimited tool for creating exceptional content. Now, what are you waiting for? I'm curious. Which feature are you most excited to try? The unlimited video generation or the more flexible image editor? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video useful, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.